If you've decided to close your Etsy account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will help you navigate the account closure efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Etsy website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to the Close the Account section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Close Account option. This is typically found under the Privacy or Account tab. Click on it to proceed to the closure process. Step 4. Review account closure information. Read through the information provided about closing your account. This may include details about what happens to your listings, orders, and any remaining balance. Make sure you understand the implications before moving forward. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After reviewing the information, you will be prompted to confirm your decision to close the account. Follow the instructions to finalize the closure. You may need to provide a reason for leaving or confirm your password again. Once you've completed these steps, your Etsy account will be closed. If you change your mind, remember that you can always create a new account in the future.